Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at MetaWars and why MetaWars is going to 10x before the end of quarter 1 2022. I'm going to show you some numbers, I'm going to show you the technical analysis, and I'm going to show you some news that's just going to make this explode. And not a lot of people, well, there's a lot of people talking about it, not a lot of people are listening to the potential of this, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, this is MetaWars just now. Price is absolutely blown up over the last, say, couple of weeks, and it's gone up by about 165%. Now, I said last week or the week before, this is going to go up by 100%. It's going to break out from this pattern. It was in a descending triangle. It's going to break out and it's going to go to $1. It's not quite there yet, but it is going to go to $1. And in my estimation, I think this is going to go to about $5 within the next 12 weeks. So this is what I think of MetaWars just now. It's doing fantastic. The numbers are brilliant just now, and we're going to look at it here. So if we see here 64 cents, I think it's a wee bit lower than that. 61 cents just now, it's up and down. It's just over the 60 cents. But you can see here on CoinGecko, it says fully diluted valuations is 980 million, but it doesn't show the actual market cap just now. So the market cap just now is only about $30 million. $30 million because there's only about 50 million in circulation at the moment. Because of the way they've done the kind of private sale and the way they've done the seed sale as well, there's going to be a 3-month cliff and a 12-month cliff for the private sale and the seed sale. And for the teams, there's going to be a 12-month cliff before any tokens are released as well. So all the tokens that have been released just now is 50 million on the market, and the others are in liquidity or they've been put by for the ecosystem itself. So at the moment, there's only about 50 million in circulation. A lot of people don't know that. It's only 30 million just now, the market cap. This is going to explode. So if we look at this just now, this is what the price is, or this is a kind of price pattern of MetaWars just now. If we look at the price of Illuvium, this was the price of Illuvium when it first came out. When it first came out back in April 2021, it kind of stagnated, went down a bit and was up and down. And then what happened was this. Kind of went down and then it went absolutely parabolic. Still going up today. So it went from doing nothing by going up to by 2,500%, which is a 25x. And I think something similar is going to happen with MetaWars as well, because of the technicals and because of the fundamentals as well. Now, what's changed in the fundamentals with MetaWars, other than it's going to be a game that's coming out in January, other than they've got kind of NFTs coming out with the planets, which they've already done, and they had a first round, they've got a second round coming up as well. Other than this could be the next Star Atlas, other than everything else that's going on with MetaWars. But look at this. So they announced the other day they're going to be bringing out a metaverse launchpad, and the very first token that's going to be coming to the launchpad is MetaGods. MetaGods. So if you got one of the planets in the first round for MetaWars, you should be eligible to get an allocation for the MetaGods as well. But they're also bringing out Dragon Evolution. They're bringing out the Wukong, the Origins, and Arcade Land as well. So Wukong is a turn-based strategy, massively multiverse online game as well. That's going to be massive. Arcade Land as well is going to be big. Dragon Evolution as well. We got in on that for CYT Blockchain Ventures as well. And we got in on MetaWars as well for CYT Blockchain Ventures with that. So this is going to absolutely blow up. And not a lot of people, or a lot of people have kind of read this and thought, but they just don't realise how big it's going to be, because what they've done is they've looked at this and they've seen the fully diluted valuation is 918 million, but in actual fact it's only 30 million just now, the circulating supply market capitalisation. This is going to explode. And if we look at Star Atlas, for example, market cap just now is 386 million. And I don't think this has got as much kind of fundamentals as MetaWars has, and the fully diluted valuation is 6 billion. So I think this is MetaWars is really going to explode very, very soon. Well, it's exploded already over the last couple of weeks, but I think we're talking about $5 within 12 weeks. In my opinion, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion, I think this is going to go to $5 because of the fundamentals, because of everything else that's going on with it as well. And this launchpad just puts it into a different stratosphere as well. So that's my opinion. Look this up. This could really explode, and I think you've got time to get in at these prices at 64 cents just now. I think that's a steal. But until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.